What do you got to say about these worms eating your vegetables? Anything? Look
Yeah,
at
we
that.
need something. We need something to fight the bugs. They seem like kale and spinach.
Ew. Oh, ooh. That makes my skin crawl.
That
No, look at this one right here. Look, it's one, two, three of them right there. No, don't wait till I go inside. Wait.
damn, they are going to town
Come
on
on,
that shit.
wait.
Wait for what?
I'm telling you. So pretty much because we don't want to use chemical on our plants, we're gonna have to make our own pesticides. And here they are again, going to town on all my broccoli. So now we're gonna have to get rid of these broccoli. Let me see it. Ew, 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 ew. Just trash them. Yes, trash it. I do not want to see the worms.
You ain't eating these, huh?
You put them there, trash them over there. Far, far away.
Damn.
Just toss them as far away as possible. Can you see them? Toss it over to that tree all the way over there. See that tree?
I don't know what
But you know what? This is a huge improvement because before I could not be in the same environment as worms. Now look at me. I'm out here recording this, keeping my distance, but I'm happy because I'm conquering my fears. Yay!